Okay, let's see next example. So it is GSHS is equal to k into 1 plus s divided by s square 1 plus 2s. This is the contour given s1, s2, s3, s4 clockwise. First we will see s1, which means polar plot we will draw. So magnitude you can see k into 1 plus under root 1 plus omega square for this guy divided by omega square. Minus L will be consumed by this mod under root 1 plus 4 omega square 1 plus 4 omega square, and angle will be minus 180 because of this guy, minus tan inverse 2 omega because of this guy, plus tan inverse omega because of this guy. Now at omega equal to 0, magnitude will be infinite because of this guy. Angle minus 180 degree, this wise will be 0. At omega equal to infinity, magnitude will be 0, angle will be minus 180 degree plus minus 90 plus 90, plus 90 minus 90 will get cancelled, and minus 90 it will be minus 180 degrees. So means polar plot will start from minus 180 degree and will end at minus 180 degree only. Whether it will cut or not, the negative real axis, it will not cut. Omega PC will not exist. If you plug the value of angle minus 180 degree, you will calculate the value of omega. Omega PC will not exist. So what you can see from here is your curve might look like this. So this is 0 plus, this is infinite plus, this is how it going, and it will not cross this line, okay, because omega PC does not exist. Minus 180 degree to minus 180 degree line, okay. So this is our first region S1. Now if you will calculate S2, S3 will be just the mirror image of this. It will look like this, and the direction will be different. This will be infinite minus, this will be 0 minus. So we are done with S1 and S3. S4 is already done. We just have to see S2 region. Now there are two poles at the origin. Means two half circles, and you can see our curve in the S2 region contour is going from minus 90 to plus 90, okay. So here if I'll plug at r at the position of s, I'll put r e to the power j theta. What I'll get is limit r tends to 0 k upon r square e to the power 2j theta. Rest of the terms will be cancelled because this will be very less quantity compared to 1. Now if you will see, if the curve goes from minus 90 to plus 90, this whole term can be written as constant, and if you will bring above, you can write it as 2j theta. So from minus 90 to plus 90, if the contour is going, your curve will go from 180 to minus 180 degree, okay. Means 180, this is 180 to minus 180, 180 to minus 180, 180 to minus 180. Why I am taking this side? Because it's clockwise, okay, like this. And since the curve will start from here, infinity minus 0 minus, let's extend a bit, one half circle because of this guy, one more half circle, okay. I should make it properly. So minus 180 to plus 180 to minus 180, I will remove this. So plus, this is plus 180 to minus 180, and this will end at here, okay. This is how the curve will look like. You can make it dotted, so I'll make it dotted. one half circle, another half circle, touches here. That's how the curve will look like. One half circle, two half circle, two half circles, clockwise, because the contour is clockwise. It will go like this, like this. This is 0 minus position. This is 0 plus position. This is 0 minus. So from here it will start, it will go here, then here, 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 close. Okay, so that's how the curve will look like for this transfer function. Okay, and this contour. So I hope everything was clear. Now I will show you one more thing. When the contour is in anti-clockwise direction, what will happen. Okay.